Here I have LG G7 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the settings right here. Here you need to choose the display, and right here let's find and select wallpaper and theme. Let me allow wallpaper to access photos, media and files on my device, and that's it. Here I can use some of the following wallpapers prepared from the LG. Here we've got some more. For example, let me use the following one, and you can apply it for a home screen or for a lock screen. In my case, let me use for a lock screen only. Choose set wallpaper, and wallpaper has been changed. Let's go back. You can of course also see some more wallpapers right here by using the storage, for example. You can also see some theme to change, icons, and always on display modes. For example, I can use the following one. It's tap save. Let's go back, and basically that's it. Now let me just lock my device, and as you can see, my wallpaper has been changed. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.